A newly leaked image might have just revealed how the upcoming DJI Avata 360 actually works in flight. And the details hidden inside this screen are sparking serious discussion among drone fans. The photo appears to show a controller running a special version of DJI's flight interface. But unlike a normal drone feed that points forward, this screen shows something very different, a fully stitched 360-degree spherical view. That means the drone could be capturing everything around it at once. Instead of aiming the camera while flying, pilots might simply focus on controlling the drone, and choose the angle later during editing. For creators, that could completely change how aerial footage is captured. Another interesting detail appears in the recording settings. The interface clearly shows 6K resolution at 25 frames per second. This is surprising because earlier rumors suggested the drone might support 8K 360-degree video. Seeing 6K instead raises a few possibilities. This could simply be a prototype running unfinished software. Or DJI may be prioritizing smoother performance and better low-light quality instead of pushing extreme resolution. There's also a chance the drone could switch between different recording modes depending on lighting or flight conditions. But the leak reveals even more. Flight telemetry on the screen shows the drone hovering about 28 meters above the ground and roughly 141 meters from its home point, with zero movement speed, confirming it was captured while actively flying. GPS signal looks extremely strong as well, with a lock on 36 satellites. And one small icon suggests something interesting: 4G connectivity. If this feature makes it into the final product, it could help maintain a more stable connection during long-distance flights. Battery information is also visible. The drone was sitting at 74% battery with around 13 minutes remaining, which suggests a total flight time somewhere around 18 minutes. That's slightly lower than earlier rumors claiming 25 to 30 minutes, but again, this could simply be a prototype unit. Of course, the Avata 360 isn't the only drone trying to dominate the 360-degree camera space. The anti-gravity A1 has already entered the conversation as one of the first drones designed specifically for immersive 360 capture. It uses dual cameras mounted on the top and bottom, allowing the drone body to disappear from the final footage. The result is a floating camera effect that looks incredibly cinematic. The A1 can reportedly record 8K 360-degree video at 30 frames per second, along with high frame rate 4K slow motion modes. On paper, that gives it a clear advantage in raw resolution. However, DJI may be taking a different approach. Instead of focusing purely on capture quality, the Avata 360 appears to blend immersive 360 recording with aggressive FPV-style flying. That combination could make it one of the most exciting drones for action creators. If these leaks are accurate, DJI may be trying to strike a balance between performance, immersion, and flexibility, giving pilots the freedom to fly first and frame later. And if that vision becomes reality, the Avata 360 could introduce a completely new style of aerial filmmaking. But until DJI officially reveals the drone, we'll have to wait and see just how much of this leak turns out to be true.